$1.32 billion in Ethereum, folks. That's the kind of big money talking today in crypto. First up, BitMine immersion. These guys just went big, real big. They've expanded their Ethereum holdings to a whopping $1.32 billion. Yeah, you heard that right, billion with a capital B. What's that tell you? It tells you that the big players, the institutions, they ain't just looking at ETH, they're scooping it up like it's hot cakes. This ain't pocket change. This is a serious vote of confidence in Ethereum's future. They're betting big on the network, its tech, and its potential. When you see smart money making moves like that, you got to pay attention. And speaking of big money moves, let's talk Bitcoin. The buzz today is around a massive 105,000 Bitcoin. Now, whether that's some big whale making waves or another major institution quietly stacking sats, it just goes to show you the kind of conviction out there for the king of crypto. We're seeing more and more of these substantial movements, reinforcing that Bitcoin ain't just some niche thing anymore. It's a fundamental part of the global financial scene, attracting serious capital and long-term holders. Big numbers like these straight up underscore the growing belief in Bitcoin as a solid store of value and a hedge against all the uncertainty out there. Now let's swing over to Solana. It's been catching some serious momentum lately. We're seeing what they call a buy signal, which basically means the market indicators are flashing green, suggesting it could be a good time to consider getting in. But here's the real kicker: institutional inflows. What's that mean? It means big-time investors like hedge funds and asset managers are pouring their capital into Solana. They ain't just dabbling, they're making substantial investments. This kind of big money coming in ignites some serious optimism for Solana's next rally. It shows that the pros see real potential in Solana's speed, low transaction costs, and its growing ecosystem. They're betting on its future as a major player in the blockchain space. For real. This is not financial advice. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.